People are drawn to characters in movies because those characters appear to be everything that they wish that they could be. Or, in other words, these characters are everything that they are not. Now, for some reason, we as humans have always wished that we could be just a little bit more than human. Or in other words, we wish that we were not human. We wish that our strength was superhuman. We wish that we never got scared. We wish that rejection couldn't hurt us. Now, there is something inherently attractive about a character that is simply not of this world. Something that is not human. The characters in the most popular Marvel movies that you've all seen, they all have some kind of superpower that makes them much more than the average human. But even if they can't slay 15 armed men with nothing more than a pair of oscillating steel balls and the power to control magnetism, there is something else about them that makes them extremely attractive. And this something is a lack of flaws. You see, people are drawn to celebrities because all they ever see of them is this incredible persona that they play in the movies. They see this larger-than-life, mysterious character who appears to have none of the problems that we have as humans, and we as humans find this insanely attractive. You could argue that we are quite literally designed to seek things that we see as divine or things that we think that are perfect, maybe because we have that same divine spark within ourselves. Now, there's a reason why James Bond is driving an Aston Martin in the movies and not a Honda Civic. Guys always want to know, how do I make a girl obsessed with me? Or what do I do to make it so that she'll never stop thinking about me? The answer is simple. All that you really have to do is make it appear as if you are from another planet, at least in the beginning. In practical terms, this means to make yourself appear as the superhero in the movie, so that when you spill the beans later and you reveal to her that you really are human just like everyone else, and you're not actually superhuman, you will seem that much more interesting and attractive to her. You see, girls actually prefer and fantasize about capturing the perfect man, the man with no flaws, the man who has no weaknesses, or the man that is not actually human. So how do you portray yourself, at least in the beginning, as a man who is simply not from this planet, or a man who is not actually human? Some practical ways to do this are never complaining about things when you first meet her, never blaming other people or circumstances when you're around her, and make sure that you don't come off as just another desperate and needy guy who has no options. Now, arguably, the most important thing in practical terms that you can do to make it appear as if you are not of this planet is to demonstrate that you have full control over your life. Or in other words, it is to lead and to be a leader. And if you're looking for some bonus points, try not to reveal intimate things about yourself until after you get to know her. If you do this in the beginning, or if you are able to make her think that you are not actually from this planet, this will get her so intrigued and so obsessed with you that she will simply never ever stop thinking about you. If you guys are looking for a way to level up your money game with investing, be sure to get some free stocks from Webull by clicking the link in the description. And with that said, you guys are the best, and until next time, as always, thank you so much for watching.